Come test drive the 2016 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: LED headlights, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, dual airbags, moonroof, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.